she was here now, what would you say?
Alright, so this is going to be hooking up to the Ebrake. The Ebrake brake line. So when it goes like that, like off the Ebrake, the copper one, it's gonna hook up to it, and then this is gonna split into two. One go for the brake on the left, one goes for the right.
I can't even begin to
and I
imagine
just
how
go
this feels.
pretty much just clamp it
But there are 30 girls around here who do.
And then after there, like it splits in two. I already have two holes from the original lines, the wire for the OEM brakes. So they'll go in there, pass the gas tank, and then go right to the caliper.
You always wanted to do.
Trying to prep everything so
Still do.
when I actually go do it, like all the lines are done. I pretty much gotta put it through the car, and then all I have to worry about is doing the calipers. That I can't really prep until I do all that stuff. All like the measurement and all that. And I don't feel like taking all the tires off right now and do that, because if I do that just for measurement, I might as well do it. So,
what is it about Clara?
anyways,
Not just guilt, is it?
take a picture or whatever when it's
Why do
all
you care
done
so
up.
much?